How's everyone? Hope you're having a great time. My wish for you today in this video is for us to care for each other, love each other, and support each other, even with little simple things. And this is video number 23. On the playlist, it's video number 6 and question number 5. What are the things to be done by you, for you, to start paving the road to your dreams? Watch this video to the very end and share it with friends whom you know would enjoy this video. Also, give me your comments, your thoughts. Let me know what you think and what you would like for me to share and research on and talk about and discuss about. And subscribe down below to the right and hit the bell icon as well. So let's start. And before I forget, please visit www.teresalaurente.com for more videos, stories, pictures, blogs, write-ups, and pictures of my painting. And get the book, A Glimpse of Eden, at Amazon by Teresa LAURENTE. It's a great book to give as gifts to those that you really care and like and are friends with, and for you also as a downtime companion to refresh your soul. And those are spiritual journey reflections, my reflections, spiritual journeys, inspirational and motivational. After this video, I will be having a tutorial video for basic paintings. So watch for that. I begin that the question number 5, it says, what are the things to be done by you, for you, to start paving the road to your dreams? This is really a tricky but easy question to answer as well, depending on how serious you are with your future life plans. And this is also my last topic of the series on the playlist, Creating the Pathway to Your Dreams. Okay, as I start, as for me, because I'm a realist, it took me a decade to act really and decide and get serious with my life. But I also believe in divine intervention, that God is always there, silently nudging our spirit to do the things that needed to be done in order for us to prepare for our future life. I was not even serious then, and for the lack of better term, I forgot what I was to do in life. I didn't make plans nor have a journal when I knew about this journal thing all the while along since 1989. See how hard-headed I was. How control freak I was, because I believed more on the strength in myself, and there I was doing businesses which I felt that I could handle. I know better. I don't need anything, and I've forgotten my prayers, and I trust in myself. I forgot about him, and it feels like I was going round and around, and I was extremely busy, and I felt overwhelmed. In other words, I was focused on working in the business that I could not see the whole picture or the whole aspect of my life. And in the process, I went into a major burnout, became unhappy, and felt helpless, exhausted to the point of planning to quit, which I did eventually because the business was not doing well. Although they call it the working inside the box, indeed I was. For 3 years, I started my assisted living business here in Texas, and but I was still in California, and I made some notes, because I learned from the sales force about journaling. So, and they call well, journaling, we call it before as planning, but actually it's manifestation for now. The term now is manifestation, manifesting. And I did that too. I did some journal. I wrote down the things that I wanted to do in 3 years when I visited Texas, because we just went driving. We didn't know where to go. We just went driving and saw San Antonio, and I fell in love with it. And I vowed to myself, I am going back. But what will I do? How can I go back? So I contacted a realtor here, and in a year, I made plans, do a journal, what I'm going to do, and things like that. For 3 years, I was preparing, and then I came back here to San Antonio. And going back to my list, my business was really successful, the assisted living. Going back, I saw in my list, in the journal, that it was really true. What I wrote in there, and I didn't even know. You have to try. You have to try journaling. You have to really try. I'm gonna let you know. I'm telling you, you have to try. So, in other words, I came here to San Antonio, and here I am right now. Then, the same thing. Oh, I was so busy. Well, I was so busy. I was earning a lot of money. I was successful, but then everything. Long story short, it's the same story. I was not, I was just running the business. So now, as I go back, I remember what I did, what went wrong, why it happened, why. But they say that mistakes and failures are experiences and lessons learned. So here I am. I learned my lesson, and I'm sharing this with you. And I am so hoping that you would take it from me as well, because I have gone through a lot, and I am sharing all this with you. So my point is, slow down. Write it down so that you'll not be overwhelmed. Take care of your health, take care of your body. Be good to your family. Not too busy, maybe the family can help you as well. And that planning, the journal planning, and then search your heart. What do you really want to do in life? Be a friend to yourself. Be kind to yourself, and only then you can be a friend to others. So good luck. You take care, and God bless. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to hit subscribe down below and share it with your friends, and give me your comments, and visit www.Teresa.LAURENTE and my book, A Glimpse of Eden. And I will be sharing the tutorial for painting for my next video. I'm gonna end this video right now with a hopeful wish for you and for all of us. You take care. God loves us all and will do anything, give us everything that we ask for Him, as long as we also will help, ourselves. So, behind every fear, there's a miracle waiting. Awaken your sacred dream, my darlings, because only you can make it happen and make it into a reality. For as long as you put your heart and your mind into it, you can achieve anything in life. Thank you very much. God loves you. God bless.